morning, dear friends. Once again, you are welcome to Mahanadi Time Media Productions. This is Ring Road near Badbajar, Gungrapada area of Sambalpur. You see, we are just in front of a dynamic park developed by Sambalpur Municipal Corporations. That is Gauri Shankar Sahani Udyan, and this is also a memorial of Western Odisha martyrs and freedom fighters. Also, it is a art center, Lalit Kala Academy, Art Center Sambalpur. You see, earlier this park was opened for the children, and Sambalpur is such a big city, and after municipal corporation assumed the charge, this city is become 137 number city of the country, and this the municipal corporation status given by the government, duly approved by the central governments, and earlier this park was opened for the children. But now you see this park remain closed. Let we go there. You see, this is the park, Paschim Odisha Swayamsayaka Sangrami Smarak, Hoysala Kala Academy, Sambalpur. Let we see what exactly happened. This is closed down, and the building inside is very nicely been developed. You see the buildings that has been developed, and that is Sambalpur Art Center, Sambalpur, and Odisha Lalit Kala Academy Center. Also, this is the park, very nicely been developed, but yet not open for the people. We got to know that some yoga class conducting by some people in early morning. That is called Hariom Yoga Club. You see the park, how it has been beautified. Let I show you one by one. But it is strange that the administrations and municipal corporations, why not open it for the general people? So nice park, if you see this. It's very nicely been developed. Earlier there was a toy train that was run, but it has been closed. The municipal corporation and administrations, you see the park, how it is beautified, but not open. And if at all it has been opened, by what time it will open, what time it will be closed, nobody knows. You see, this is the park, very nicely been developed. And the toy train, you see the toy train also there, you see. And earlier it was functioning, now it is only for beautification purpose, you see this. Reason what it has not been functioning, nobody knows. So we urge the district administrations, the new collectors Sambalpur recently joined on behalf of Mahanadi Times and local people, let expeditiously clear up the work and it will be open and resume the functioning of the all facilities which are available inside for the general people. So at last the people will get benefited, and the purpose of this park will be. We met one security person here. He told me that this park is opened in early morning. This Gauri Shankar Park open in early morning, and there is a gardeners Mali. आपका नाम क्या है? चौधरी गढ़तिया. He is the gardener of this park. He told me that this park is not open for all the times, and there is a ticket provision to come inside the park, and it will started by 8 to 12. 8 से 12 बजे तक खुला होता है ना. 8 it will started by 8 to 12, and then next
अपना वो 4 हुआ.
then it is again from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and early morning it is from 5 to 6.
5:30 सिनेमा लगी थोड़ा.
By 5:32 it is continuing up to 8. So close कर. So let we come. Let I show you all this park, how it has been beautifully been decorated. But the timing is settled by the municipalities, corporations and district administrations. Is not feasible for the people who are interested to come to this park, though this has very nicely been developed. You see the park, how it has been developed. So we urge the administrations that this park be open for like other park which has been open from early morning 6 to evening